Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2015 Hyundai i10 SE. This car comes with the frugal 1.2 petrol engine and a manual gearbox which is ULEZ compliant, returning up to an impressive 57 miles per gallon. A low insurance group of just 4, so ideal for new drivers, and this is a one owner vehicle having covered just over 40,000 miles and comes with full service history. This stunning colour is called the Mandarin Orange and it's in good condition for age mileage of the car. And as we look inside, the orange theme continues. As you can see, the seats there are in great condition. And then onto the dashboard, in the centre, you've got your FM and CD player. And then just below that, you then have your air conditioning controls. On the steering wheel, on the left-hand side, you've got your buttons there for your radio. And then on the right-hand side, your cruise control. And finally, on the driver's door card there, you have your electric mirror and full window controls. Being the 5-door version, for a small hatchback, it's surprising how much legroom there are in the Hyundai. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and it's good to see the car's still got the carpet floor mats too. Opening the tailgate reveals the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, you then also have a space saver wheel, so that's great to see these days. Externally, the car comes with front fog lights and the 14-inch wheels. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So, if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.